Indian stock markets, Tata Capital and LG Electronics going head-to-head in a big IPO week. The companies are slated to debut Monday and Tuesday. Both firms have raised a combined total of $3 billion after launching their initial public offerings last week, putting India on track for a record month for IPOs. Rebecca Bundhun filed this report for CNA from Mumbai.
India is seeing two of its largest ever stock market listings in a single week, with Tata Capital due to start trading on Monday and LG Electronics' debut expected on Tuesday. Shadow lender Tata Capital, which offers consumer and business loans along with other financial services, is part of the major Indian conglomerate, the Tata Group. Its $1.7 billion IPO, the largest so far this year, sold out on Wednesday in its final day of bidding, with total bids double the number of shares available. The other big IPO is the Indian unit of the South Korean appliance and consumer electronics maker LG Electronics, and it was much more popular among investors. The company's $1.3 billion share sale was fully booked within hours of its launch on Tuesday, and 54 times oversubscribed by the last day. Analysts say this robust demand, which comes despite returns from Indian equities being subdued over the past year, bodes well for the wider market.
These are large companies, very significantly scaled companies who have been around in the market for such a long time. And that, is a testament of, the quality of companies. I think in fact, even the investors are becoming much more selective in which companies they want to invest in. We are seeing a flurry of activity in terms of IPO, but not every IPO is seeing the light of the day.
Mr. Shah says domestic demand from both institutional and retail investors is helping to power the wave of listings. But being oversubscribed isn't a guarantee that a company's share price will do well. Workspace operator WeWork India's shares fell as much as 5.2% on Friday when it made its market debut. And analysts warn any shocks to the economy or investment environment amid global geopolitical and trade challenges could quickly dampen the market.
The overall IPO market, which has been fueled by the retail money coming into mutual funds and then mutual funds subscribing to this IPOs, I think the systematic investment flow, which is, if that gets impacted, that can impact the IPO market.
Still, Mr. Shah believes the outlook is positive. He expects more big-ticket IPOs like Tata Capital's to come up in the next year, and following LG Electronics, he anticipates more multinational companies will list in India. For CNA, I'm Rebecca Bundhun in Mumbai.